Okay, Tom and Jerry, let's get one thing straight. I'm the watchdog around here, and while the missus is out, my job is to watch and see that nothing happens around here. That means no horsing around, no chasing, no... Hey, cut that out before you wreck something. The missus's philodendron. Got it. Look out for the bird cage. Just in time. No, not the fish tank.
Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo.
Okay, you two cuckoos. Now hear this. You like to mess around, eh? Well, you better clean up this mess, or you won't be around, understand? Now what? Some salesman, I suppose. I'll get rid of him. That'll take care of him. Huh? I need a home. Oh, no, not this one. No way. We got a house full of pets. Fish, bird, mouse, tomcat. Enough's enough. No kitten. Hey, Tom, Jerry, did you finish straightening up yet? Good. Now get lost before you find something else to mess up. No more fun and games. Out, out, out. Huh? Kittens? I must be having a daytime nightmare. It's that kitten again. I'll send him off. I said no pets. Huh? Oh, okay. Who let that kitten in? Where is it? I heard a kitten. Get it out of here. Come on, you troublemakers. Where's that kitten? You can't fool me. I know it's around here. Aha! I hear it. Oh, dreaming, eh? Or are you playing some kind of game? Maybe you're in your second childhood. Gotcha. It's Kitten in the basket for you, fella. Sorry, but no more pets. So, you like to play games, eh? How about Boot the Puss? Or The Clock Ran Down the Mouse? Don't go away, fellas. Huh? I must be cracking up. The canary's beginning to sound like a kitten. Maybe it's a catbird? Ah, now that's more like it. That's no catbird. They're all playing games with me. That kitten's in that cage. Okay, wise bird, where's that kitten? Maybe I'm cracking up. I put that kitten outside. He can't get in. I heard that. You've got that kitten. A feline philodendron? Maybe a pussy willow? Aha! I see it. Out you go. This time you'll stay. That'll keep him out. Now, where's that pair of pests? What's going on? Now it's catfish. I can't stand it. What was that? I don't believe it. I'm going kitten cuckoo. It is that kitten again. Come back here. So it's those two pests who've been hiding the kitten. You got this. Whoa! Yikes! Now where's that kitten? There he is. Huh? A 6-foot kitten? Oh, no! This is getting on my nerves. I'm leaving before I completely break up. My soup bone, food dish, rubber ball. Well, this is it. I'll hit the road, but not without my doghouse. You! And you, and you. Hey, so that's it. 6 kittens. I'm okay after all. Hey, watch it. Cut it out. Oh, they're cute. Oh, gee. Hey, guys, we got guests. So on the double, you two, hop to it. Get a dozen quarts of milk. Aren't they cute? Drink your milk. It's good for growing kittens. You guys can go out and play. From now on, I'll be the kitten sitter around here. Oochie-coochie-coo, you little darlings. Time for a nap.